Alright, I just bought the Serta gel memory foam mattress from Walmart. This is a full size because this is a full size bed, and the full size was about $320. Just going to Walmart and buying it directly. It was the last one left. And then of course queen is like $360 and so on. I saw other reviews on Amazon for other bed in a box, and some of them had good reviews. Some of them there was things where they stunk, but this one's made out of gel. So this video is basically going to be a setup and installing it on this one. This particular bed that I had in here is like 40 years old mattress and springs. So I'm looking forward to this one. This is the 10-inch mattress, and I think they make them a little bit thinner. So let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, I went ahead and put it on the frame itself, and I am not using a box spring with this Serta gel. And from what I've studied and read up, you don't need a box spring. The only reason you would need a box spring is if you wanted for aesthetics to make it look higher or for it to be higher. But from what I've researched, you do not need a box spring. If you wanted to add a box spring, you could, if you want to bring a little bit more support, but you don't have to. As far as setting up, as far as the packaging was probably the most difficult thing, is just to get it out of the package. But other than that, to put it on there, it's ready to go. They say give it to, you can give it to 48 hours, but you can sleep on it during the 48 hours. But this is a 10-inch mattress, and I swear, it looks like it's already out of the box. It looks like it's already 10 inches. So it's ready to go. And let me go ahead and lay on it. So I'm a heavier person. I weigh over 250 pounds. And from what I've been told, the heavier you are, you won't want it to be thicker. So you want it to be 10 inches if you're heavy. If you lay, like, especially on your side, or if you lay on your back, it's good to have 10 inches as opposed to 7 inches or 8 inches if you're a lot thinner. Like if you weigh 160 or less pounds, they say the thinner it's a little bit better, and it'll give you a little bit more support. But if you're heavy like me, you want something that's at least 10, and they actually make 12 as well. So again, this gel Serta mattress doesn't take any preparation. You just put it on there and then put your bed sheets on, and you should be ready to go. First time taking it out of the box. Okay, thank you for watching this setup of the Serta gel mattress, and make sure you subscribe.